we needed to go to our land, and we're just gonna go to our pond, and we're only allowing myself to fish with topwater. So we have this rat, a duckler, and a Zara spook. We're gonna see if we can get fish on any of these. Oh shoot, I got one that hit the rat. Can't get him hooked. There's a frog. There's one on the rat. The rat works. Skinny bass, but the rat works. Now time to catch one on the other one. This thing just engulfed it too. Now time for the Zara spook. Nice bassy though. So this is a really cheap drone that we have that my girlfriend bought around Christmas time, and we only used it like 2 times. And we thought we lost the battery to it, but I realized the other day that we had the battery to it, so I started experimenting with it and trying it out. I'm not very good at flying it and don't have it down. As you can see when I flew it into the tree, and actually got stuck in the tree twice flying it somewhere else, and it fell in the water today when I was trying to fly it. But it still worked after it fell in the water. So here's some footage I shot from our landing on the river, which looks really beautiful. Although if my drone footage was better, it would look even better. And I'm going to keep trying to do a little bit of this to some of my videos because I like how the footage looks. This is just a cheap drone. I'll eventually update my drone to get better, even better quality photos, but it still shows what some of what the site looks like. So I'll continue this. And I tried fishing down here, and on the river I only managed to land one little catfish, and I went through over a half a dozen worms, and I just kept getting rod, but nothing bit in like the half hour or 45 minutes I was fishing. I had a wedding to go to for my girlfriend's sister, so I couldn't fish that long because I had plans later in this day, but it was really relaxing being down here on the river just hanging out. And I still had fun even though the fish weren't very cooperative. And I don't know why I went swimming after the snake, but I did. This river you never really expect what you know what to expect to catch. Like some days you can catch some big smallies and walleyes, and just about other days you don't catch a whole lot. And this must have just been one of the days where you don't catch a whole lot, but I still caught something. And I had a lot of bites, so I think there's a lot of dinky channel cats here. The unfortunate thing about this spot is if you start fishing with cut bait, you start catching just tons and tons of soft-shell turtles, which I don't really care to catch. So it was still a nice day on the river, and I really like this property my dad has and really enjoy going here and just hanging out. And we have a spot to camp here. So at least I caught one fish here, and I got some cool footage from here. So this is a good day. I got one bass screwing around with topwater on my pond, and I got a catfish, which is later on, which is a small one. from this spot in the river, just on a worm on bottom. It was on and off for a couple hours of screwing around when I really just needed to take these boards down to our farm. It was a fun day. So I appreciate everyone who watched this video. And please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And if you want to see more videos like this, I can share them. Thanks for watching. I just got my hook. No words yet. You got one. It's a roller. What is it? Is it a kitty cat? And it's a kitty, kitty, kitty. This guy's a cute little guy. Nice little channel. Cute guy.